Hello friends, today's topic is push and pop operation in stack. We give the link of this program in description box. This is the stacks and stacks work on last in first out. Now if we enter the value is 5, 6, 3 and 3 is last value and 3 is delete first. Now define max value is 5 and top value is -1 and stack max and void push and void pop and display. This is a function. Int main. It is this is a main function and int ch a integer type. Enter enter your choice 1 and 3 4. We enter the choice is 1. Now 1 call the push function. This is a push function. Value is integer type. Top equal to max -1. Top value is top value is 0 and equal to top -1. Top value is -1 and max value is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Now this line not execute. Condition is false, then this line also execute else part. Enter the element of push. We enter the value of 7. Now top equal to top plus 1. Now top value is 1. Top value 1 minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. Top value is 0. Top point the this block and stack top value. Now stack top value point the this node and the value of 7 is insert here. Now the loop is terminated, the condition is terminated and we call the main function. Now break. Enter your choice 1 and 4. We enter the choice 1. Now we call the push function. This is a push function. We enter the value of this is integer type value. Top value is 1. Top value is 0 and equal to max -1. The max value is 5 -1 4. Condition is false. Then execute this part. Enter the element for to push. See in value. We enter the value of 6. Now top equal to top plus 1. Top value is 0 plus 1 is 1. Top on the this node and stack top equal to value. The value is insert here. Top point the this node and 6 is insert here. We call the main function. CHB enter the choice is 3. Now we call the display function. This is a display function. I value is I is integer type. Top equal to -1. The top value is 6. Top value is 1. Top value is -1. Top value be initialize the top value is -1. Now stack is empty because condition is not true. Because condition is not true, then execute this line. Stack is I value is top. The value of top is 2. The value of top is 1 and I greater than equal to 0 and execute this line. Top stack I. The stack point the this block and because I value is 1 and stack point the this block and 6 is print. Now we execute this loop again. Now I value is increment, decrement. I value is decrement. Now I value is 0. Condition check. I greater than equal to 0 condition is true. Then Stack I. Stack I point the this blocks, and now 7 is display. 7 is display. Now loop is terminated. This is a pop function. We call the pop function. We enter the choice is 2. Now call the pop function. This is a pop function. Top equal to -1. The value of top is 2. The top value is 1. Condition is false. Then execute this line. Delete element top stack. Top point the this node and display this element. Now top equal to top -1. Top value is 1, -1 is 0. Now top point the 0th blocks. Top point the 0th blocks, and now 6 element is deleted in this stacks. Now we execute this program. We enter the pop function. We enter the first value for post function. We enter first value is 7. We enter the first value and 7. Now we display the stacks. The sorry, we execute this program again. 1. We enter the post value is 7, and we first and we enter the value is 6. Now we display the stacks. Stack is display 6 and 7. Now we perform pop function. Now we display the 6 is element is delete, 6 element is delete, and we display the stacks. Now stack is displaying 7 is element in stacks. Thank you so much.